All right, we got some center caps here. These are the raised center caps for the large PCD. These say Japan quality. It doesn't say made in Japan because it's actually made in China. This is the box. It's just a regular white box with a little sticker. There's a code. This is the black on black one. And we're installing it on some TE37XTs. When you pop these in, you actually don't just pop them in like a regular center cap like you normally would, where you push it in and it locks in. You actually have to take off the wheel and install it from behind. So one of the things that you'll have to do is if you have a hub-centric ring like this, you actually have to take it out. And then you'll put the cap in from behind. So we're gonna go ahead and figure out how we want it to be positioned. We'll probably just, I honestly don't know the best way. Maybe we'll have this at the bottom. So then we'll have it installed roughly around, we'll have it installed roughly around like that. So we're gonna push it through. So that's all it is. Push it through. So you can see that the hub-centric ring would normally sit there, but now you have your center cap sit there, so you can't have that. So that's what it looks like. These are the Blast Black, but they're super dirty. So you can even see from here. So I ceramic coated this, and I'm just gonna wash off the wheels, and then we'll see how it looks afterwards. But that's how you would install the center caps. You actually have to take off the wheel, take off the hub-centric ring if you have one, and then you just mount it just like that back onto your car. Yep. All right. So that's how you install these.